everybody, and welcome to the McCall's kitchen. My name is Elisha. I'm from Fiorella Bake Shop, and I'm here today because Mother's Day is right around the corner, the time of year that we get to spoil our mothers or any motherly figure with lots of sweets and flowers and just big warm hugs. So I have in front of me the ingredients for the most perfect no-bake tiramisu. This is perfect for your Mother's Day brunch or even a Mother's Day picnic. I'm going to take you guys through all the ingredients we have and the process on how we're going to be making it today. If you guys are not subscribed yet, make sure you do subscribe to our channel, and let's get started on this easy recipe. So this recipe does not require too many ingredients. These are all simple ingredients, and all you'll need is either a hand mixer or a stand mixer to bring some of it together. So we've got some whipping cream, we've got some mascarpone cheese, fresh strawberries, some orange juice, and lady fingers. These are all the key ingredients to making our no-bake tiramisu twist today with strawberries and a pop of orange. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna get my whipping cream going. So we're gonna whip our whipping cream to some soft, stiff peaks, and then we're gonna go in and add the rest of our ingredients. So let's get that going right here. So our heavy whipping cream is whipped here, and I'm just going to show you how firm it is. So we've got, this is the kind of stiff peak that you want to go for. And to this, we are going to add our next three ingredients, our mascarpone cheese, our vanilla extract, and some icing sugar. All the ingredients will be listed below with their quantities. Too long. I would just say about a minute of mixing to bring it together. And now we've got our mixture. So this is gonna be our filling for our no-bake tiramisu. So that mascarpone cheese just really gives it that creamy, fluffy texture we're going for. And we're using the McCall's vanilla bean extract today. So you're gonna need a nice dish. You can use a glass bowl or any pan. You're gonna want it to be a little deep so we can layer everything together. So firstly, we are gonna start by putting our lady fingers down. So these lady fingers you can also grab at McCall's. We're gonna lay them down evenly in our Alright, now that we've got our lady fingers here, we're gonna grab a pastry brush or any brush you have, and we're going to put some orange juice. So we're actually going to take a little bit of orange juice and cover ever so slightly the lady fingers with some orange juice. So we're just brushing them with some light orange juice to give it that fresh citrusy taste that we're going for. Alright, now that we've got our first layer of the lady fingers, we're gonna go in with some of our mixture. So we're only gonna go in with half right now. The other half we're gonna keep for the next layer. So we're only using half of the mixture, and then you're gonna need a spatula or a spoon to just spread it out. We wanna get a nice even layer over all of our lady fingers. So now that we've got our first layer of lady fingers and our mascarpone filling, we're actually gonna go and add some fresh strawberries. So these are freshly sliced strawberries, and we're gonna be putting a layer of those. So we're gonna cover the entire thing with strawberries, just a single layer. So many people tell me that they're not a baker, that they hate the oven, that they get scared of baking, but there's so many recipes just like this one that doesn't require a whole lot of effort, no oven, literally just some fridge time and simple ingredients. Alright, now time for our final layer. So we're gonna go back in with our lady fingers. Again, we're gonna take our orange juice here and we're gonna brush them with orange juice. And then finally, our last layer of mascarpone. We're gonna get our entire bowl into our pan here. So the last step for this is we're gonna add some whipped cream to the top to give it that nice, fresh, fluffy layer, and then some more strawberries. So I'm just gonna get this all cleaned up and then we'll show you how to finish off your no-bake strawberry tiramisu. Now to finish this off, we're gonna go in with our whipped cream topping. You can make your own or you could use a pre-made one. It really just adds that nice, fluffy, light touch that we'd like for this tiramisu. So I'm going to use a spatula to spread it out. All right, now we're just gonna go back in and decorate with some more strawberries to give it that fruity look. And because we're decorating this for Mother's Day, I'm gonna just go in and add a little bit of my own touch, some sparkles and some gold foil. So let me show you how to do that next. Now, because it's Mother's Day, we're gonna give it that extra sparkle, like I mentioned. So I have some McCall's pink sparkle dust, and I'm gonna be using a paintbrush just to glitter it up. We're just gonna tap it on. We're just gonna add a touch of gold. We're using the McCall's loose leaf gold sheets here, using a finer paintbrush. And the next step now is to pop it into the fridge for a couple hours for everything to set. We hope you guys enjoyed watching and we hope you do try this at home. This was so easy. Like I said, it requires no oven, just some refrigerator time, and all your guests will love how delicious and fresh this tastes, especially the mamas. For Mother's Day, it's a great brunch option for that nice sweet kick at the very end. If you guys do make this at home, make sure to tag us at McCall's and at Fiorella Bake Shop. We want to see all your beautiful creations, and with summer right around the corner, we've got lots of fun content coming, especially with another Mother's Day video dropping next week. So make sure you subscribe and we'll see you very soon.